Let me guess, you cut sugar, switched to keto sweeteners, and you're still not losing weight. Or worse, your cravings are stronger than ever. Here's the truth no one tells you. Keto sweeteners don't always behave like nothing in your body, even if they have 0 calories. And no, this isn't about demonizing sweeteners or telling you to quit keto. It's about understanding why they sometimes stall fat loss, spike cravings, or mess with your blood sugar, especially if you're insulin resistant. Most people think keto sweeteners are harmless because they don't raise blood sugar on paper. But your body isn't a spreadsheet, it's a hormone-driven system. Today I'm breaking down what's really happening, which sweeteners are the biggest offenders, and how to fix the problem without giving up your favorite foods. Here's where things go sideways. When you taste something sweet, your brain expects sugar, even if it never arrives. This triggers what's called a cephalic insulin response. In simple terms, your body releases insulin before glucose even shows up. For someone metabolically healthy, that's no big deal. But if you're insulin resistant, which most people coming to keto are, that insulin response alone can block fat burning. And it doesn't stop there. Some sweeteners disrupt gut bacteria, others increase hunger hormones, and some keep your brain addicted to sweetness so you never fully break the sugar cycle. This is why people say, I'm keto, but I'm constantly craving dessert. Or, I'm eating zero sugar, but my belly fat won't budge. It's not a lack of willpower, it's physiology. Let's talk specifics. Truth number 1, not all keto sweeteners are equal. Maltitol, absolutely not keto-friendly. It spikes blood sugar almost like sugar. Sucralose can raise insulin and mess with gut bacteria. Even erythritol, while better, can still trigger insulin in some people. Truth number 2, sweet taste alone can stall fat loss. If every meal ends with something sweet, your body never switches fully into fat-burning mode. Truth number 3, keto desserts keep your brain stuck in sugar mode. You're eating keto cookies, but your brain still thinks cookies equal dopamine. That makes real food feel boring and cravings louder. Truth number 4, insulin resistance changes the rules. What works for a keto influencer with perfect labs may not work for someone healing metabolic damage. This isn't about quitting sweeteners forever. It's about using them strategically. Here's how to fix the problem without going extreme. Step 1, take a 14-day sweetener reset. Not forever, just long enough to calm insulin and cravings. Stick to savory meals and naturally sweet foods like cinnamon or vanilla. Step 2, use sweeteners only after protein-rich meals. Never on an empty stomach. Protein blunts the insulin response and stabilizes blood sugar. Step 3, choose the least disruptive options. Best tolerated for most people. Pure stevia, monk fruit without erythritol blends, and small amounts of allulose. Step 4, stop daily keto desserts. Dessert should be occasional, not a coping mechanism. Most people don't need less discipline. They need better timing and smarter choices. So here's the real truth about keto sweeteners. They're tools, not free passes. They can support your lifestyle or quietly sabotage it. If you're stalled, inflamed, or constantly craving sweets, it's not because keto doesn't work. It's because your metabolism needs a reset, not more zero-calorie treats. The goal of keto isn't recreating junk food. It's restoring metabolic flexibility and insulin sensitivity. If this video helped you understand why you've been stuck, give it a like. It helps more than you think. And if you want the full breakdown, including which sweeteners work best for insulin resistance and how to reintroduce them safely, head to lolarecommends.com. Subscribe for more honest health and wellness education because your body deserves better than diet myths. See you in the next video.